We are good to go. The old stomping grounds, Boca Raton Tri-Rail Station. But barefoot. You just got back. Leaving so soon? Well, this video has a different purpose. Today, we're going to take a train ride down to Miami International Airport solely for the purpose of demonstrating this new piece of luggage that I got here by Level 8. It's called the Creator Carry-On. Most of you guys know by now, I don't like checking luggage. I only like dealing with carry-ons. It just makes the whole travel experience much simpler, not having to go back down to the baggage area, the conveyor belts, and waiting for my luggage to come, hoping that it's there when I arrive. I'm strictly a carry-on guy. So this video is being sponsored by Level 8, who sent me this Creator Carry-On piece of luggage that we are going to test out today in the proving grounds of Miami International Airport. Wouldn't you know it? Here's our train. Miami International, here we come. The other convenient thing about carry-on luggage is fits right here. You don't even have to worry about storing it up in there in one of those racks. It's right here with me. All right, it takes an hour and 20 minutes to get to Miami International from Boca, so I'll see you there.
Your next station stop will be the Deerfield Beach station. Next station stop, Deerfield Beach.
I love trains. And motorbikes, and tuk-tuks.
Miami International Airport, last and final station stop. Miami International, last and final station stop. This train is out of service.
I guess the train's out of service.
The train is out of service. This train is out of service. They say don't board.
That's telling them, welcome to Miami International. Welcome to chaos. Not for the faint of heart. Definitely not for amateurs. Think of it as the salt flats of international air travel, a perfect testing ground to see how this baby will hold up to the rigors of real-world air travel. Let's go test it out. Hey, come back here. Aeroporto. I told you we were in Miami. I'll tell you what, it does have some great wheels on it. The train is here. The other train. You guys have seen this movie a few times.
Por favor, tome todas sus pertenencias y tenga cuidado al salir. Please have all.
Smooth ride? I'm telling you, these wheels are great. I should strap them to my feet when I travel. All right, terminal. That was my fault. How'd you like that trick? Concourse, E, F, G, H, and J. Should be a bunch of concourses around here somewhere. Take a step, will you? Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to tell you guys a little bit about the psychology behind using a carry-on like this. Since I always preach to you guys that I'm a backpack guy, and although I am, I want to show this sensibility of bringing a larger, sturdier, more agile, if you will, carry-on that makes a lot of sense. How about we do that at the airport bar? I feel margarita-y. Hello.
Hi, I can help you.
What do you think of my bag? My carry-on?
The carry-on, are you trying to check the bag?
No, what do you think of it?
Oh, I actually like it.
Ah, do you? What do you like about it?
It's compact, and you got the security number.
There you go. Let me ask you a question. How many bags do you see in a day, roughly?
Too many to count.
1,000? Probably.
Wow, I can't even give a number.
Now she's gonna count. You gotta count every day.
I will say
carry-ons,
it looks durable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks durable.
Yeah.
I like this, like compact and
What do you think of the spin move?
nice smooth. It glides.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen,
I
she's
like
a
it.
professional. She knows.
Aw, thank you.
Appreciate it. Ask the experts. The experts know. They see, you know what? She probably sees thousands of bags in a day. Think about it. If she works 8 hours with look at all the people right here. That's 100 people right there. I don't know. 40 or 50 maybe? It's a lot of people. We got one yes. Let's see what else we can find out here about this carry-on from Level 8. The creator, 20-inch. I'll tell you what I'd love to do is I'd love to find somebody that works for TSA. I don't know if they can talk to me, but I'd like to get their opinion because they handle bags all day. You know, they open them up, they go through them, they scan them, they x-ray them, and they do just about anything you could possibly do to a bag. You guys work here at the airport?
Yeah, of course.
What capacity do you guys work? I'm curious. Like, what do you guys do?
We're just ground stuff.
Ground stuff. So let me ask you a question. I'm doing a video right now for this company. It's called Level 8. They make this luggage. They make this bag. What's your personal opinion? What do you think of this thing? Yeah, go ahead. Check it out.
It's cool. It's nice. Rotates nice. It's cool.
Yeah?
I like it. Has how many pockets? 1, 2.
That's for the laptop. And then it opens up and it's got, 2 large compartments, like 43 liters. So, well, they know. They're the experts. Thank you, guys.
No problem.
I really appreciate that. If you have any doubts or you want any information that you can rely on, talk to the people that work in the airports. They know. They see this stuff all day, every day. Should I ask the pilot? It's too late. Oh, wait, what's the TSA guy? TSA. So, how you doing, sir? Can I ask you the $1 million question for the day? This luggage that I got, it's a carry-on. And I'm curious, because how many bags do you see in a day, sir, would you say?
Quite a few.
Check it out. What do you think of it?
I think you've got a nice bag there. One nice thing about it is if you notice how it turns, you have the advantage that it turns in whichever way. So
Right.
that's an advantage. The wheels seem to be pretty sturdy.
Right.
The pull handle comes up enough that you can reach it easily.
That's right. It's got 4 stages.
Oh, that's really nice then. So, you've got a nice bag.
Thank you so much, buddy. To you, my friend.
I love travel.
Well, you're working in the right place then.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And here's the American carry-on or check indicator. Let's see if it passes muster. Snug as a carry-on in a rug. There you go. The perfect fit. And you can see how this is right in line with that. It's perfect. It utilizes as much space as they could possibly have designed this bag with, giving you as much room as possible in a 20-inch carry-on. I'm going to tell you guys what. Being here in the airport, the ease with which I am rolling this around, and the fact that my shoulders are not bearing the burden of all the 43 liters of weight that's inside of it is nice. What makes a good carry-on? What would you say makes a good carry-on?
Well, mine's a Samsung and yours is a good carrier.
You think it's good? Check it out here. Phil, tell me what you think.
Yeah, it feels really light.
So would this be good in the overheads?
I think it's the perfect size actually, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right. Flight attendants. Covering the full gamut, ladies and gentlemen. So when you go someplace and you don't want your luggage to get scratched, you guys wrap it up, right? Is that the whole reason? It keeps it safe and it keeps it protected? Okay. What do you think of my bag? Tell me your opinion, what you think of it.
¿Te lo hago?
Yeah.
Yo pienso que lo mejor es que la proteja.
Yeah?
Ya.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. I gotta brush up on my Spanish again. Let's have that margarita. Sit right at the bar. Hello, my friend. Can I get a margarita rocks, please? Thank you. It's been a while, and here I am back in Miami, and it feels great. I mean, it's not my favorite airport in the world, as many of you already know, but it just feels good to be home. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate it. Awesome job. Thank you. So, Level 8 was good enough to reach out to me. And I said, if I'm going to do this review, this bag needs to have a few things. Number one, it's got to look good. I think style counts a lot when you're traveling. I want my bag to look good. It's important to me. Same thing with my backpacks. They have to look good. And they also have to be smart in terms of the way they're designed. Number two, it has to have a strong, solid, protective compartment for my laptop. My laptop is my life when I'm traveling. If I lose that thing, or if it gets damaged or stolen, it's a nightmare. And number three is it has to be compliant with the requirements to count as a carry-on. If it doesn't fit within that, it doesn't matter the size of it, what it looks like, or how good it is, or how strong and reliable it is. If I can't take it with me, and if I have to check it, it's no longer a carry-on. What's the point? And this bag hits all three of those. Now, guys, let's go find a good spot where I can show this baby to you, inside and out. Oh, Chef Creole. Oh, I love Chef Creole. Not today. All right, over there, behind that curtain. Pay no attention to that man behind that curtain. First thing I want to tell you guys is this thing is solid. It's sturdy. It's made of a polycarbonate that will definitely hold up to the stresses and just about anything you can put it through. And on the top here, you have a 3-digit combination lock. And right now I got it set to 3 zeros, just so I wouldn't forget it. These are YKK zippers that are the best and strongest zippers you can get. If I have a backpack, it's got to be YKK zippers on my backpack as well. TSA access here. Before I open it, I'll show you that it's got these two very durable and rubbery top handle and side handle, which makes it very convenient when you want to grab your bag and put it in the overhead. Just make believe there's an overhead there. These are 360-degree rotating wheels. They are solid. They are really substantial. I'm going to put it to you this way. You could have a Rolls Royce of bags, okay? It could be the best bag in the world, sturdy, looks good. But if you have bicycle wheels on a Rolls Royce, what's the point? This is a Rolls Royce bag with Rolls Royce wheels. Not only are they 360-degree rotating, but they're also double wheels. You see this? 2 wheels. That's good for a lot of reasons, but specifically because it shares the burden of the weight, not all on one wheel. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I've been to some of the roughest places in the world in terms of potholes and just no streets, just holes in the road and rocks and dirt and sand and soil and all sorts of impediments. And word to the wise, if you guys are wondering why I'm carrying this, even though it has wheels on it, it's because I don't want to destroy my wheels. These wheels on these bags, especially when you load them up with weight the way I have, they will break on you. If you're going to have a bag that you are going to be pulling through the streets, they better be solid, they better be sturdy, they better last. You don't want to be dragging your bag around the streets of Bangkok. You want to be wheeling it. So without further delay, let's open the bag. So I pack the bag using packing cubes, which I'm a big fan of. You open the bag and you've got 2 zippered mesh liners here that keep all your stuff. And what's good too is they're mesh, so you can see through and see what's where when the bag is open. And here's my packing cubes. I have 3 packing cubes, 1, 2, and this one big one. They're pretty well filled up. I probably could have got more in there, but you could even put more on top of this and still fit it. And on this side, by the way, you have 2 zippered pockets here, and I've got, this isn't, you can see the holes there, so this isn't my current passport, but I just threw this one in there. And by the way, always a good idea. If you have an expired passport, bring it with you. It doesn't hurt to have it. God forbid you lose your passport, at least you've got something. So I always bring my expired passport with me just to have an extra one just in case. But it fits nicely in there. You can put more documents in there, whatever you want, paperwork. Open it up, and you can see what I got here. So this is typically a toiletry bag, but I keep camera gear in it. I don't typically purchase toiletries until I get to where I'm going. I bring a toothbrush and a hairbrush. That's it. Everything else, mouthwash, toothpaste, deodorant even, I buy when I get where I'm going. It saves a lot of room in my bags, and it's not expensive stuff, so just buy it when you get there. And this right here is all my electronics equipment. You know, I have a tripod, and I could put more stuff in here. There's still more room. I didn't fill it to the max. This is just to give you guys an idea. You would put iPhone accessories in here, camera accessories, and other electronic, you know, cords and things of that nature would go in this bag for me. Open this up, and look at this. By the way, it's sturdy. It's like tortoise shell, okay? Very sturdy, and within it, this is a laptop or iPad case. It's hard, it's protective, and it comes with the carry-on. Fits in there real conveniently. It's got the name Level 8 right on it, so it matches your baggage. Inside, you could see there's another little compartment here, a sleeve, so you could put other documents and things that you want quick and easy access to. And here, this is USB and USB-C, and you can see it up here. This is where it comes out to, so you can hook up and charge all your gadgets right from your carry-on. You know, I tell you guys all the time, my laptop, I'm dead in the water without it if it stops working or gets damaged, God forbid. So I have to have a safe place to keep it. This will do the job. Oh, the last feature, probably should have been the first thing I showed you guys. The handle itself. You know, I mentioned that I wanted the carry-on to have a nice look to it, to be stylish. And I think you could tell that this one really very much fits the bill on that. Comes in 2 colors, by the way. I like all black. I always bet on black, as they say. So I went with this one. But they also have one that is sort of a 2-tone silver and black that's very nice as well. What I love about this handle, and I really haven't seen another bag that has this feature, is that it is sort of contoured with the carry-on case itself. It fits right into the design of it, and really, you know, following it along its curves on its sides. So here's the button. It's got 4 stops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. The Level 8 Creator Carry-On. The name says it all. Creator. Content creators and YouTubers that are travel vloggers especially, they have some of the most arduous, difficult, and challenging travel itineraries of anyone who ever gets on a plane. So if it's a Creator carry-on, you know that it's up for the challenge. Till next time, from the Miami International Airport, it's the Barefoot Vlogger and my new Creator carry-on saying, stay well, stay tuned, and keep on rolling. Come back here. Sorry. I'll see you on the plane.